Home Remedies presents Reveal Super Grandma's Hair Oil Recipe for Visible Hair Growth in 30 Days. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia, and in today's video I will share with you a super hair oil recipe which my grandmother used all her life. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. This hair oil will give you visible results, and you can mark your hair length and check after 30 days. You will need 1 inch ginger, 4 garlic cloves, 10 black peppercorns, 1.5 tablespoon castor oil, 100 ml coconut oil. Here is how you will make it. Peel the ginger and garlic and put them in a blender along with the black pepper. Grind them. Put coconut oil and add castor oil in a pan. Add the blended mixture into this. Turn on the flame. Heat it on low flame for 10 minutes. When you will see that white bubbles are forming, your oil is ready. Turn off the flame and cover it. Leave it overnight. Next morning, strain this oil. You can store this in an airtight glass container for up to 30 days. How to apply? Use it as regular hair oil. Cover your whole scalp and massage for 10 minutes. Leave it overnight and shampoo your hair next day. For best results, use it alternate days or twice a week. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.